back to another episode of Anfishinginc, Tips and Tricks Part 3. So, today we're going to be doing tips and tricks on how to Texas rig a craw, a worm, whatever floats your boat. So, we're going to start with the craw today. So, you get your EWG hook, which I got corrected on before, and I call it a worm hook. And what you do is you just go like this, right? Don't drop the craw. Go right down the middle, just a little bit in. You bring it up the hook, and once you get to the eyelid, it's going to sit like this on there. A lot of these baits have a little middle section on there. Stay in the middle. Once you got it just like this, you bring it right up to the middle, and you find the sweet spot where you think it would work the best. And what you're going to want to do is make sure it's flat and your hook basically blends in the top. You don't want it sticking up like that, because when you're bringing it through weeds and stuff, you're going to get stuck. And no one wants to get stuck because you think it's a fish when you're hooked on a weed. So keep it as flat as you can. What you can do if you're fishing deeper water or you're fishing heavy structure like weeds, lily pads, anything like that, is you get yourself a bullet weight. Bullet weights, you can get tungsten or steel. I recommend don't use lead because it's a harmful chemical if it does fall off. So you can do that. Craws will, there's really only one way to rig them, is Texas rig. You can't wacky rig them. I mean, you probably could wacky rig them this way, but I really only rig them Texas rig. So if you guys have anything else, drop down below and we'll do more tips and tricks.